Hi, my name is Kenneth, and today I'll be showing you a video on how to blur people's faces out while moving. So first, grab a clip. I'll use this clip as an example, and as you can see this blue bike over here, if you pay attention to her, you can see her face every now and then. Not clearly, but you can still see part of her face. Just say you didn't want that, well, what you do is grab the same clip again, and you drag it down onto the second video track. From there, you go to Effects, and you type in the effect Mosaic. It's in Video Effects under Stylize and Mosaic. So you drag that onto the second clip. Now, as you can see, it makes it all blurry. The second effect that you must use for it is a track matte key. So that the video that you will put in the third video track will be the face matte for the effect. Okay, and for the mosaics effect, bring it to a reasonable number where the pixels become small, so that you can see the picture, but not clearly. As you can see here, you can't see the riders clearly, but the scenery at least is somewhat visible. Okay, for the next step, you go right-click in this project panel here, and you go to New Item, and look for Black Video right there. Click on that. Okay, and we're back. Now, to make a face matte, which will be used by video track 2, so that it will blur only the person's face. So what you do is you go to File, New, Title. Then it'll ask for some stuff, and then you'll name the title Face Matte. Yep. Now, as you can see the person's face. So what you'll do is you'll click on the Ellipse tool, which mine already seems to be clicked. Then you'll click, hold Shift, Control. Where's it called? No, yeah. So you just hold nothing actually. Just drag it over the person's face. Not too big, so that it doesn't cover the whole entire face. Right there should be good enough. Let's see. Just gonna move it out. Move back there. Yeah, that should be just about right. So what you do is you hit the X, and that should save it. Okay, so now what you do is you drag it onto the timeline. Coordinates that's equal to the timeline, of course. And there. Now you can see this white little circle. Now, as you can see, it doesn't completely follow her the whole entire way through. So, what you do is the track matte, you click back on the second video clip, and the track matte that you put in before, click on the arrow to extend it. And now it says matte, and it's saying that none. So what you do is you click on it and you say video 3. So as you can see, there's this little blur now, and that is what's going to cover the face. And we're back. And as you can see, it covers the face, as I said earlier. So what you do now is, as I'm scrubbing through, you can see that it doesn't follow the person how it should. And it still doesn't cover her face like you'd like. So you go to the back, right at the beginning, and you click on the motion panel. And as you can see, moving the position, it moves the sphere around. So click on the stopwatch to make a keyframe. Okay. So now what you do is you scrub the video until it moves out. As you can see, it's not in her face anymore. Or it moved to about 1 second point actually. There. Now click on this right here, and it says add to remove keyframes, which you will. So then try to find the matte if possible. Oops. Down. Oh, there it is. You can see I saw it. So move it on to her face again. There. There. So there. As you can see now, it should follow follow her very well until again it moves out of her way. So then right about the 2-second mark, add another keyframe, and there, put it over her face again. Now just grab it along, and you can see it covers her face the whole entire time. So at the very end, right about the 3/4 mark, should be right about here. That's where you can see her face once more. So add another keyframe, and now drag the blur over her face again. It's more time. And that should cause the motion, as you can see. Now, where did it go? One moment. Okay. So now it should follow her all the way through. Now, if we render this, we'll see in a couple of seconds here, and it should work properly. As you can see, it follows her, except with a slight problem. And I'm back, and so I just added a few more keyframes to make it look a little better. It's still not the finishing product that I would like, but it still works nonetheless, as you can all see. So that's all I have for today, and I'll be back for another tutorial soon. See you all around.